On your marks!
Athaki ere a Ethiopia Dera Dida na murunawe Gedi Jetsenet mati kureka Obiri ahomuke makimuhomithia nginyagia muthia wa ihenya no thegia uregani munene Hellen Obiri ahotana mahenya maya na kuiga rekodi ariwe mutumia wa mbere kuhota mahenya ma gutua ngongo ma kilomita 10 maita mere kirumaniririo.
Country exponents, she's earned this gold medal the hard way. Obiri is the champion here in Aarhus. Dida takes
thutha wa uhotani wake Obiri ndanahitha gikeno giake.
6:14 underlines the demands of this undulating circuit, doesn't it? You know, more or less 6-minute mile maintained. If it was
I decided to be patient because, as you can see, we have Ethiopians, and as I can see, they were very strong in hilly, the last one. So I decided maybe to wait until the last lap. So there's some in midway I tried to go, but it was so tough for me, so I didn't go. Yeah.
Mahenya-ini ma arume Geoffrey Kamorol ajreirie gutetera thahabu iria ahotanire mwaka muthiru o wega.
on your marks.
Orire maguthiaga na mbere na ihenya noguo Kamorol akuremagirirwo muteng'eri kuma Uganda Joshua Jeptegei akihotana mahenya maya mbere ya murunawe Jacob Limo o wa bururi ucio wa Uganda na mbae na igere mahenya-ini maya marekia mareraia a Uganda
25 to 30 zone in positions at the moment after 3 laps.
Ihenyaini ria athaki matakiritie miaka 20 Beatrice Chebet ahiokire tarithathi na kuhutia rurigi mbere ya athaki eri a Ethiopia.
On your marks!
Uhotani wa Chebet ukioneka ta auma mucerere kuona ekwambite kwirwo ari kiri ari namba 3 no thutha wa mashini na kamera kurora wega Chebet onekana niwe uhutire rurigi mbere.
And Chebet holds on just, wow, Ortariku on the right hand side. Wow, 1 second. When I looked at that replay, it did appear to me as though Beatrice Chebet had brushed the finishing tape before the other 2 athletes. She's being given a time that's a second behind Thahabu and Gedri.
Akenya magithii na mbere gukungwira uhotani wa Obiri na Chebet matigo makiuria ciuria iguru ria ateng'eri arume amu Kenya ndinehotanira thahabu ona imwe mwena wa arume. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Hellen Maina.
That's the scene at the finish.